Amari, aka Ursula. Message to you now, because you chat about bag of things pan this and pan that, but let me tell you something. Me see you send one look at something pan my page about how you soon come here anyway. From how long and me there wait and I can't see you come. Me see all send out talk, I say people to look for me and whatsoever. You need to understand yourself and you need to fix that big yap of yours. Because it spell with more than one M and end with more than one H. Because I don't know what kind of amount that you have, like for your family and everybody. Lady, what you know about me, I come talk about bitch. What you know about me and bitch nothing. Me sure not say you can't go on Facebook or go on no page or no nothing or go in my life or no nothing and see me have no come around them in my face. No dear, because me no grow so I might think that. You come talk about how me and this and me and make Papa call me every day and something. You need to go easy on that part here. You need to go easy on that part. Gully Bop now, you have to say me at the ear when breathe. So if you call me every day, I'm supposed to. You understand me? I say, if me there wish for you there, me happy, or if me there wish for you there, me well, alright. Me don't need to hear from nobody else. So if you have to hear from me, how you feel like, I am his lifeline. And if you understand that, you need to get it into your thick head. I know say ethic and all of that, yes. But nothing try, nothing done. You need to try and get that in your head. Secondly, you got to talk about breathing. Come on, seriously, bitch. Remember, say you're the retirement, you know. And you done full out how you have much pity them already. So I don't know if baby in this. You have a problem with that? I don't know if me get like a stretch mark or something. Me go know where it hurts. You understand me? I say, you need to understand yourself, lady, because I don't know you from out of nowhere. I don't want to know you. I'm not interested. So what you try to say to me, say, I don't have time for you. I do not have time for you. Right now, I'm music me, say, I don't know a long time, yeah? So, if you want me and you have to chat lyrics, lyrics me depend. I don't depend on local lippy chatting with no girl. Because I don't fuck girl a straight cocky to that pussy. I say straight. Up scheme thing the two. One thing I go tell you, again, I tell you our first tune and you come like say you don't hear the tune. Because I don't hear relate or say nothing about that. And that me I talk about. Because I can't catch a lick in your face. You hide from me. You understand me I say? That tune I want my bill for you. Especially. Gully Bop tell me if you take care of the pussy till he come. Bitch, I know me make you done. Call up me name like say you want get a beat down. Bitch, I know me make you done. Cause you come a cuss and a argue. Everybody knows say Gully Bop no want you. You ugly so your looks just a aunt you. Girl me pretty like a flowers in a garden. So when you a cheat on your boo, we a make love what do you? Your money buy clothes and get me ear do. Girl a me him want at you. So me just tell you to the date. When you can't manage no more of your weight, you make a big mistake. You should have never ever come fuck around me feet, girl. Yeah, them something them depend. Come to me lyrically and then we have it out. You see, same like how you see Yannick and Miss Kitty have them thing decent or someone want to take it to you. Me not depend on a lip in or call nobody no bitch or whatever, because everybody fuck. And if you have to call me bitch, I must do that alone. Yeah? So you need to understand yourself, lady. I don't really like with these people, you know, kind of my thing that I mean say love, peace, and respect. But you draw me out. You draw me out. Yeah. And then again, I don't know how you hold on for Bob so long. You're holding on to him so long back. I'm missing you. Mwah. You know how Rica stay already. I miss you bad. Amari, you can't stop that. You can't stop me from missing him. And you can't stop him from missing me. So you know so when time I see him, it's gonna be a jolly good time. Yes, it's gonna be a jolly good time. I'm sorry. I am sorry them say if you don't go under 4 rules, them cannot shit on you. Why you gonna the rules there? I understand say your favor fall on them something there, but you could have gone on one duck pen or something, I don't know, because you're big that way there. You're much bigger than a fall, so I don't know. What are your fault? It is your fault. So what? The bag of lippings and the bag of chippings, you depend my friend, I depend that. Right now, I tune me say to the world. So if you want musically thing, as I tell you before, step to me with that and stop come chat. You don't know nothing about me. You don't know one thing about me. Only thing I maybe know, yes, Rica nice and she have vibes and whatsoever and re. That is me. But you can't come talk about bitch and come talk about this and come talk lady, you don't know me. Me don't know you either, you know. Me only glimpse you. Then again, if me say me know you, me know in a way where you are this tribe straight, because to all me see I deal with back thing right now. Like I tell him say if you're done with music, a TV show you depend. That's not a Bop style. Majority of the song them Bop have out now are from what time gone, and me and him sit down and build them there. Straight. We just a whole of vibes and we do road. I already my play in the car, we just a build a tune. I will say tune and me say up scheme thing. I depend on the look low life, something and I go on like say we don't have nothing to do. And me say work. Same like how Rihanna say work, 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 work. I might think that some don't know where you would have this chat, 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 chat. You need to go on Sesame Street because you resemble Big Bird. Yeah, that is what you need to do because I realize say, yeah, you love to go up on talk show, you love to go up on TV, and you love to be seen. Which is not hard because you're that big. Anyone can see you, even in the freaking dark, yeah? So you need to fix up your thing, go up on a TV show if that you want, leave Gully Bop alone, I could do tune, because right now, I be a my tune, I have right put on for one time, I see him, the maddest thing, ever. Alright, I know my thing not the low, my thing the high, because I mean say high. You are going to stay low because you say low, you prove it. Look how you do your thing. You have tongue all over all them something, even public, national TV, everywhere. What kind of example you have said? What you feel like say, we Jamaican go like that? That not in a full book. No, 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 no. You need to rub out that and rewrite it before you try to step to me. Lady, me never see you in trouble, you know. I never see you in trouble. It's you first see me in trouble me. So what you feel like say? Me I go take silence from girl? No. It's a wrong bang this. So me not take silence from no girl. And if me want to take back, that is my business. And if me not stop taking, that is my business. So what you try to say to me? Eh? You don't need to say nothing to me. You need to understand yourself. I try to tell you that. What you want? Tell me what you want. What you want? You're going to say me back to tell me if you stop call phone or whatever. You never buy that phone. You did not bought him that phone. So what are you trying to say to me? You are come tongue and that 20 tongue and I go like say you alone can tongue. Bitch, I can do that shit too, alright? That's my thing. So what are you trying to say to me? Huh? You need to rewrite and come again, lady. Lady, what's your name again? Ursula. Anytime I remember your name, I remember what you look like. Me have to just put in a little cartoon CD there and just know say, yeah. Oh, I'm married that, yeah. You need to stop it, man. I'm still have a easy pie, and I'm not this a big time, and I'm still not this a big time, lady, for real, car. You see, true, you could have been my grandmother and them, or my great grandmother and them, look something, something, not too and go too all for you. But you need to build, yo. Chillax, yo. You need to chill the fuck, lax. If you're going to do tune with Badan, you do tune. If you're going to make money, you make money. And stop going like say, well, not even go like say, because that's exactly what you're trying to do. You're trying to fucking dump his career, right? You don't need to do that shit. You need to up-scheme the man thing. No say, yeah, but for somebody where everybody love. Yeah. So what you need to do? Tune. 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 Tours after tours after tours after. You don't know that tune there? Maybe you're not going to know. But you're supposed to know that tune there. If you listen to a work after. Tour after tour, ask about Rica, how Rica stay, and what kind of motivation him get from me when me the run him. You understand me? I say? So, me don't know, me don't see Bob look mad than him. Me know say my friend for me and something, baby, oh God, me boogaroo, me tune to you, man, so. Yeah, me know say my friend and him something, look at him look mad, all him a tag, you can't know say him not being himself. The man need to free up my girl, and need to free him up. Yeah. Me don't know if Papa got jail and him something there. So all that drop in. Well, for the part, I go think about it and see if I can get an answer. But you really need to chillax. You need to build. You need to look in yourself. You say it's a big woman, you have your picnic them and whatsoever. And everything you post on social media. Ladies, stop it now, please. Please, just stop do that. I beg you. You need to stop it. No, man. If you got toilet, people know. If you go bathroom, go wash off your foot, people know. Lady, you're menstruating and you're putting that all over the internet. Something's wrong with you. You know that? Something seriously is wrong with you. You need to fix that shit. Alright. Sometimes I really not even want to go up on your page, but since you know I be a madness you are going with, I have to say, alright, I see what you're going with today. And you know you not stop call my name, I know you like it. Yeah, everybody like my name. Well, thank you for that. Even though I don't really care. But you need to stop calling my name and your bullshit, lady. You need to stop it. Or if you feel like say you want to call up my name, do it in a different form. You need to come into a different form. And don't go and like say you want from water down my thing, because you don't know nothing about me. I use a rivers of Jordan or where you want to call it, because you don't stop run like water. You don't see that. And the water not even clean. Your water don't clean. You get what I say? So you need to fix things. You need to fix things. I want to look at talk on my area and make bo. What? You need to take that off.